Hello guys, it's Doc Kyle and we are traveling today to Boracay for our birthday. So here I am equalizing my ears guys kasi recently I've discovered that long flights usually nagkaka-ear pain ako and I discovered this product. These are earplugs guys that help you with the pressure changes in the cabin, especially during takeoff and landing. Sumasakit yung tenga ko, kaya after using this, it's really effective guys, proven. Hindi na sumakit yung ears ko. So here we just landed at Cebu and I am taking off my earplugs na guys. Grabe, super effective. Hindi na sumakit yung tenga ko after that. So we're flying from Pagadian City pala guys, going to Cebu, and it took us around mga 35 to 40 minutes to be in Cebu. So we just went on guys to get our luggages. Chinek-in na namin siya guys para hassle-free, and also logpas na kasi siya ng 7 kilos, no? And when you're traveling, if it's more than 7 kilos, meron na yung extra charges once matimbang nila dun sa counter nila. So here we are at the domestic departure. Lumipat actually kami, nag-check-in kami sa AirAsia because our flight is AirAsia na airline from Cebu going to Caticlan. So we are here having brunch at Cocina Sugbo. So we ordered this bangus, and also we ordered some bami. The bami is a must try guys. The bangus sakto lang, masarap naman. Pero this is a must try, masarap siya talaga. And also I ordered this 2-piece stick na barbecue. Sakto lang din siya. Nothing exciting, nothing special. So, very direct na pork barbecue siya, guys. No?
Normal.
Sakto lang. This one is a must try. Masarap siya. Ang bihon. Let's try the bangus. Savory, no? Lamig yung marinade. I'll give this in 8 out of 10. Tapos my order siguro mga 7.5 lang siya. Okay. Our flight to Caticlan guys is still 1 p.m. and it's still 10 a.m. here at Cebu. So we still have a lot of time. After our lunch, siguro we will roam around and yeah, just chill and explore the airport. Kain muna tayo and then we'll update you later. Bye. So after our lunch guys, I just went into my Klook application and then I booked this airport transfer. So from Caticlan Port, ihahatid na kayo all the way to your hotel. I think this is 755 pesos per pax guys. So sulit na siya kung ayaw niyo na ng hassle na mga transactions. So you should book this one. Just finished our lunch. Now we're just exploring the airport. Abi na mugkuanto mo na sudlan ka ng Sunny Studio. Mga expensive shits mo na. Wala gyud, nagubos og 15,000.
Abi ko tag 599.
Or 299. Mugkuan na lang tata.
25k.
Mag-coffee ta. Nara dito sa Tumoy. So, namin dito sa Picas side. Gate 9. So, paingon mo dito sa gates 25 to 25. Ay, gates 3 to 8. No? We will buy, iced Americano and Cinnabon. Let's go! Quick update, guys. Wala may kaabot sa Cinnabon. Nasamit kami sa Adidas. Nabudol na dayon tag shopping. But it really looks really nice, no? So yeah, I think I'm buying this. I like the color so much. Nice. Budol 1. Napatag airport. Okay, nabudol na ta guys here at Adidas. So I've got my coffee na guys at Boss. So let's buy Cinnabon para i-pair natin dito. Yung Cinnabon here is nasa dulong-dulo talaga. So those Cinnabon guys, tabi lang siya ng gate 3. Oh, guwapa kayo ang cinnabon. This is caramel pecan bun, guys. And our coffee is ice americano from Boss. So, tambay sa ta here since it's still 10:30. Wala pa tong flight. So, we are here at Cinnabon, guys. So, we're having pecan bun here at Cinnabon. So, it's near gate 3. Our gate is on gate 9, pero our flight is at 1:30 p.m. pang Manggod, and then it's still 11 a.m. Actually, 10:55 pa siya. So, just eat here. Mas peaceful here. Wala kayo tao. So, nani siya sa pinaka tumoy sa other side. And amo pong gate is na po sa Picas side pa ganun. So, yeah. Let's eat muna here. And, yeah, just wait for our flight. And my coffee is from Boss Coffee. So this is 180 pesos, medium size, and the cinnamon roll is also 180 pesos. Wala. Airport pa lang, hurot na ang allowance sa travel. Yum. Lamig yun yung boss. Ay, lamig yun nilang coffee. Though mas mahal yun ni siya, pero lamig yun sila.
Goodness gracious. Ikaw yung nag-shoplift?
What if inato og accent ang tigana? Kami agad ay? Ano kayo? Fresh coffee. So yum. Lamig yun yung combination, guys, ang kaning Americano nga no sugar o kaning something sweet na pastry. Grabe, bomb kayo nga combo. Super yum.
Bangka, bangka, bang. Karabang, karabang, karabang.
Okay, so we're now boarding Cebu to Katiklan via AirAsia. See you, Katiklan! So again, for this flight, I put back my earplugs on, guys. This really helped me, guys, with the pain that I'm experiencing due to pressure changes upon takeoff and paglanding ng plane. So if you want this, guys, I'd be putting down the link below to those who are experiencing the same ear pain as me. Update, we just landed in Katiklan Airport. So we're in the bus right now, dalon lang taani sa arrivals area, and from there we will ride the Klook booking na to nga Southwest Tours. Sila na ibahala sa atong airport transfer going to our hotel. We're here at the arrival. And we just arrived, guys, here at Boracay. Here at the arrivals na building nila. Lahi ito siyang departure po nila nga building. So unlike other airports nga isa ra ka building ang departure ug arrival, here sa Bora, separate ng arrivals area nila. So let's just claim our luggage and then proceed din ta sa airport transfer nga gibook nato via Klook. So guys, ganito lang pala yung baggage claim area ng arrival hall ng Boracay Airport. Though sa side niya may kinukonstruct, kung makita niyo dyan sa video, I think that would be their new, bigger and improved na airport. So for Klook bookings, punta kayo dito sa counter 5, tapos bibigyan kayo ng sticker, lalagyan nyo lang siya sa clothes nyo para malaman ng tour operator kung saan kayo dadalhin, so kung anong hotel kayo dadalhin. Tapos sakay kayo ng shared na van right there. Ito siya, I think I paid 750 pesos per person for this one-way trip, airport to hotel. Let's go! So sa van ride pa lang natin, guys, sobrang ganda na ng view going to Katiklan Port. No, that's why I really like this place. No, sobrang ganda talaga ng Bora. I mean, sobrang ganda ng place. So here naka-arrive na tayo. Around mga 5 to 7 minutes lang siguro yung van ride or bus ride going from the arrivals hall ng Boracay Airport going to the Katiklan Port. So I think guys no, kung bayaran sa dinyo tanan plus ang hassle pa no sa maglinya, murag same ra gyapon siya kung mag-agency mo. So I suggest book na lang mo para less hassle, dire-diretso naman no. So here, diretso na tayo ng Southwest. Drop na natin eh. Sila na bahala tanan sa mga fees. So clock booking na siya, 755 ata per pax. Pero mahal siya karon. The last time I remember mga 600 plus na to siya. One way ra na siya. And we will book again inig pabalik na ni Pauli. Kaya nagsulod ninyo atong Southwest, naka-segregate na. Dira mo sulod ang Southwest. Tapos kung naka-DIY ka mo, anha pa ka dira ng ticketing counter. So daghan kin tao. Wala yung naka-advantage kung naka agency nga dito. Pero you know what guys, nag-DIY kami pabalik and significantly mas nakatipid talaga kami. Share ko na lang sa next part ng videos about that. We are boarding the boat na guys, going to Boracay Island. Let's go! So it's gonna be just a very short boat ride. Siguro less than 10 minutes lang siya. Medyo mainit ngayon since it's around 3 p.m. na guys. So, ganito yung tsura ng speedboat guys. Going to Boracay Island from Caticlan.
5 minutes.
I remembered before guys, around 5 p.m. ako nag-boat ride. Sobrang ganda ng sunset. Gantong view din. So, we just arrived here guys at Boracay Port. Sandali lang talaga. Less than 10 minutes lang yung travel time. So, hanapin natin yung Southwest. Dito po. Thank you. So when you arrive to Boracay guys, dito sa Boracay Port, take the opportunity to take videos and photos here at the Boracay signage. So we're here guys at La Carmela de Boracay. Check-in na ako. Check-in po muna tayo. So we just arrived here guys at La Carmela, Boracay, no? And upon check-in po, advice lang, you need to deposit still, same as before, 2,000 pesos. Pero refundable naman po siya upon checkout. So huwag nyo lang walain yung bibigay nilang paper. It's almost 3:55 p.m. I think maka-sunset pa tayo.
Marabing Java, di ba?
So before guys, I was at the main building, yung katapat mismo ng beachfront. Doon ako nag-check-in. However, they also have this other wing, which is malapit lang naman sa beach. Around mga 1 to 2 minute walk lang din siguro. So dito ako naka-check-in right now. And if you want a room tour, I'll be doing it on a separate video para alam nyo kung anong itsura ng rooms dito sa La Carmela. After check-in, nagpahinga lang tayo sandali and then we went to 101 Sizzlers. Katapat lang to ng Watsons, no? So, dito tayo nag sort of early dinner, no? So, nakapunta na din kami dito with family the last time we were at Bora. Tenderloin. So, kanin chicken is how much na? 179. Ang tenderloin is 239 guys. So, wala na siya nag-sizzling. Makasan. Let's eat, guys. Okay. Thank you. Ano?
Oh no!
Yan ang bulalo. Yan.
Ako yan na.
So let's eat round 2. Ang chicken kay bugnaw na siya. Hindi na siya init. Hindi na po siya crispy. So lami ang pagka-season pero hindi na siya crispy.
Kaya ko isa.
Tenderloin. Ang tenderloin guys, margarine kayo. No?
Ang iyang
Yung gravy kaya hag margarine. Kami siya. Mga 8.5. na tong sabaw. Dili kayo beefy ang sabaw. Sakto lang. Bulalo 7 lang siya for me. So, nani siya at lang sa Watsons, guys, if you wanna check them out. They're open at 5 to 12 midnight. After here, tanatag sunset sa beachfront. So, mawalk ra ta pa. And we made it to sunset, guys. We're so lucky to have witnessed this on our first day in Boracay pa lang. So, we are traveling from 8 a.m. from Pagadian and we are able to make it by 4 p.m. here at Boracay. That's what I really like about this place kasi sobrang accessible at sobrang dali nyo lang marating siya. So here's a glimpse of what Station 1 looks like. So Cafe Gatsol, magandang tambayan during sunset time. At nadaanan nga natin along the way itong Jonas Fruit Shake. So it's a must try here, guys. Try nyo na to kasi it's sa to sa mga OG na drinks here at Boracay. Surprise us, guys! So, final food trip for our day 1 here at Boracay. At Jonas Fruit Shake, this is mango melon, less sweet. Yum. Sarap siya. Mahal nga lang, 200 pesos. This one,
Watermelon mango.
melon mango.
Watermelon.
Watermelon mango. Panalo to. This is a winner. Wait lang. Watermelon mango, guys. Mas masarap to. I like that. Cheers, guys, for our last food here tonight at Boracay. Bye. Good night. See you again tomorrow.